Arrive in style with this Jeep 2018 Cherokee Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and 4-wheel independent suspension. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.